All right, y'all, what to do? Your boy is back on the grind one more time. Your boy is back at it again, you guys, and I am just leaving work right now. About to head down to the parking garage. I actually got to drop off a sign down here on the bottom of the steps. A little bit of advertising, marketing going on. We just ordered some A-frames and try to capture some of this business before the holiday rush so people kind of know where we're at. So we are relatively new to the gym, so we're trying to strum up ways that we can earn more business. But anyways, y'all, I actually drove the Turbo Regal today, and we're gonna go down to the parking garage and we're gonna see if we could turn up the boost a little bit. So that's kind of my next step. I want to turn up the boost a little bit just to kind of see what it does. And the chip is actually set for burned for 16 to 18 pounds of boost, and right now it's like at 11. So what we're gonna do is try to turn up a little bit, and I can't really remember because I'm still on the old wastegate. So I think that it's like a turn, it's like a half a turn for 1 pound of boost, or like a full turn for 1 pound of boost. I can't remember. If you guys know, get in the comments and let me know. But what I'm gonna do is I'm only gonna go like maybe 3 turns or 4 turns and kind of see what that does, because I don't want to just start wailing on it and all of a sudden the boost is like 20 pounds. So anyways, I'm going to go do that right now. I'm going to go down to the parking garage and do that. So I'll try to film what I can down there, and then we'll hit the road. If you're new to the channel, y'all, definitely think about subscribing. Y'all hit that notification about all that good stuff, y'all. Again, this is just the next steps into getting this Turbo Regal back to where it should be. So yeah, baby steps, y'all. If you haven't checked out my previous video in regards to that stereo install, check it out, man. That stereo is super dope. So anyways, let me go ahead and shut it down here. I'll meet you in the parking garage. All right, y'all, so we're in the parking garage here, and what I did, ooh, look at this whip here. It's so good, so good. But this is not gonna work. So I went to make the adjustment on the spring here. It's actually right here. Let me turn my camera light on. And you do it usually right here. Now, being that this is original, it probably has the original wastegate on it, and you usually can make an adjustment right here. But there is no adjustment on that fixed rod. Let's go ahead and just ride along, and let's make this little ride along video, just kind of to see how everything is working, and we'll kind of go from there. All right. Y'all, it is a gorgeous day, y'all, and we just riding. So man, this thing is driving so much better with the upgraded chip in it. So the chip is really conservative, you guys. I mean, there's nothing done to the car, so there's no use of going kind of crazy on the car, but he just kind of cleaned up the tune a little bit and gave me a little bit more boost and a little bit more octane. I'm supposed to use on this, supposed to use 93. So man, lovely, man, lovely. So yeah, I love driving it on days like this. It's cold, you know, 30s. Well, it might be like 40s now, but you know, this is perfect boost weather, and this car responds so much better with cold air. So yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna let you guys just ride with me. We just cruising, man. Great day, sunny day. No complaints around here, man. Drive my old schools is what I love to do. And man, y'all just enjoy the ride. we off the freeway and we just cruising, man. So heading to our favorite coffee shop to get the wife and I some coffee. And I'm gonna take the long route, of course, so I can drive this thing a little bit longer. And then we just gonna sit and chill, y'all. Watch some college football games. There's a big game here in the state of Washington. It's called the Apple Cup. University of Washington versus Washington State University. So UW versus Wazoo. And I don't know what's going on after that. So, man, we just out here cruising, man. I'm loving it, man. Sunshine. This heater is blazing right now, so I feel none of this coldness outside. But I can pop the roof if I want some fresh air in here, you guys. But man, ain't nothing like driving an old school. I'm telling you, y'all. I'm telling you, no matter what, ain't nothing like it, man. I respect all cars, man, all cars, but there's just something about an old school, that old school feel, that old school vibe that just sits right with me, y'all. So, anyways, I'm about to pull up here and get this coffee real quick. All right, y'all, I'm gonna see if I can do a light pull here. I got this coffee in here, so I'm trying not to spill it, but it does have cup holders in it. All right, here we go. Yes, sir. Just a little light pull. Just a little light pull. That was kind of just like a slow rolling into the boost. Let's see if I can make it spool so you guys can hear it. Oh shit, I just burnt out. Let's see. Just do a little quick walk around so you guys can kind of see it again, even though most of you guys have seen it, but you probably haven't really heard it with its new idle and everything, so with the new chip. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll close out the video. All right, y'all, so I pulled over here so I can show you guys the outside of it. It's a nice day today, and just let you guys kind of hear it. It's idling so much better. It used to not idle this good at all, and all it was just a simple little tune. I mean, listen to it. Idling so much better, you guys. So much better. Yeah, I can't wait to get this thing dialed in. All the emblems need to go back on. Here, I'm gonna paint the bumper fillers that I have that are new. Redo the headliner, all that stuff. So I really wanted to kind of get rid of all of these dings. I still might try to see if I can go to like a dent specialist or something. Maybe they can pop those out. Man, she looking nice. No complaints. I think I have a power steering pump kind of going out. You can kind of hear it whine. Fan cut on. But yeah, you guys, get in the comments. Let me know what you guys think of good old Payback. I call her Payback. Let me know what you guys think. Let me see if I can give you a good little rev. Yeah, you can kind of hear it. All right, y'all, get in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about the little ride along video and a little exhaust little that I let you guys hear, man. But yeah, get in the comments. Let me know what you guys think, y'all. Thank you for always supporting me, always following along, man. I love this car stuff, man. Even if it's just something simple where I can just stop in a parking lot, film it, enjoy it myself, and then share it with you guys. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all the good stuff, y'all. Mr. Grip 23 out of here. Deuces. Peace out.